All right, number 15, we're kind of going the opposite direction of what we had been doing, where now we're starting with the graph and coming up with an equation or with a function, as opposed to the other way around. This one, since it's got a peak at your or on your y-axis, we're going to kind of go with a cosine here. I'm going to kind of use a workspace here. Its amplitude. Normally the amplitude is 1, but now our amplitude is 3. Now, just as a refresher, we're going to have a times the cosine of b times x minus h plus k. Now breaking that down, looking at each individual piece there, a is amplitude, b affects our period, and remember the period is 2 pi over whatever that b value is. Oh, sorry, thinking of a different problem. H is a phase shift, so left or right, and k is your vertical shift. Now in this case, it doesn't look like we have any phase shifts or vertical shifts, which is kind of nice. So we're just going to change our amplitude. Well, I just said it tripled it, so our amplitude is now 3. And the period. The period normally is 2 pi, but now the period, well, it completes one full wave in pi. It cuts our wave in half, or it cuts our period in half. So in order to do so, we're going to use this. Our period needs to be pi. Well, what value of b can I plug in there where I get 2 pi over b, giving me pi? Well, that would be 2. By plugging in 2 into here, you get 2 pi over 2, giving us just a period of pi, which is what we have. So our final answer, f of x, equals 3 times the cosine of 2x.